Hello, all my dear students. My name is Ajay Gulati. Welcome to Shri Jain's Rank Zone classes. Students, I'm your friend and mentor for the mathematics portion. So, my dear students, let's start with time and work class 03. Students, today we will be doing LCM method. This question is like the Brahmastra for all time and work questions. It's like a panacea. Okay, wherever you are stuck, this method will help you genuinely. A very good method. You will be able to solve all the questions by this method. Let's start from the very scratch. Let's say I give you A can do a piece of work suppose in 10 days, B can do the same piece of work in 12 days, C can do the same piece of work in 15 days. Now, in how much time will all of them be able to do the work? So students, how to do such sort of questions? 10, 12, 15. Fine. Uh, what I do in such a case, I assume the total work to be certain units. That certain unit is the LCM of 10, 12, and 15. What is the number? Take any number which is divisible by 10, 12, and 15. It could be 120, it could be 180, it could also be 60. We prefer the smallest number. Now, 60 is a number which is divisible by all these numbers. So, units per day. If this fellow A does 60 units in 10 days, in one day, how many units will he do? He will do 6 units. Okay. This fellow B does 60 units in 12 days. In one day, he will do 5 units. Last, this C does the work in 15 days. So in 15 days, he does 60 units. So that way, what I can say? That way, I can say he does 60 by 15. That is 4 units per day. Now together, A plus B plus C together, they do how many units? 15 units. If I add them, 15 units per day. Okay, dear students, A plus B plus C is together 15 units per day. Therefore, time for total work, will be 60 is the total work. Number of units done per day are 15, that is 4 days. In this way, dear students, what I can say is A, B, C together can finish the work in 4 days. Students, I told you this is a very good method, but I won't say this is the best method. See, whenever you are stuck, this method will always help you. But if you are talking to me about shortcut, so the method which I told you earlier, 10, 12, 15. Let's try to do this. A combination of 10 and 15 I have asked you to learn will give you 6. Okay, this will give you 6. Now, 6, 12. What will be this result be? This is double. So you divide 12 by 3, you will get 4 answer verbally. How small this method can be. Okay, dear friend, the previous method which I have taught you. Okay, you got it, dear students. But I hope you have got the concept very clearly. Let's move to the next one. Let's take another example. I took 10, 12, 15. Now let's take A can do our work in 12 days, B can do the work in 15 days, C can do the same work in 20 days. In how much time will all of them be able to finish the work? See, what is the total work? Let's assume total work to be LCM of all these, that is 60. All these numbers divide 65. Now, this is total work. Suppose I say units. How many units per day? If someone does 60 units in 12 days, in one day he will do 5 units. Someone does 15, 60 units in 15 days, in one day he will do 4 units. Someone does 60 units in 20 days, in one day he will do 3 units. Okay. So 5, 4, 3. A plus B plus C together, that will be what? 12 units. Fine, together. So total time for the work is total time for the work will be what? 60 divided by 12. Clear? 60 divided by 12, that will give you 5 days. That is, all of them will finish the work together in 5 days. A, B, C together will finish the work in 5 days. I hope everything is clear so far. You are enjoying this class. So clear, dear students. Let's move ahead. Just a second. Now, let me delete this first. Yes. Now, let's talk about pair of people. This thing we have done. Suppose I say A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C together can do the work in 15 days. C and A together can do the piece of work in 20 days. In how many days will ABC individually do it? Will ABC together do it? In how many days will A alone do it? Okay. In how many days will A alone do it? In how many days will B alone do it? In how many days will C alone do it? Okay. See, first thing first. First we have to take the LCM. A, B, C together we need to find. For that, what we will do? We will assume total work to be a number which is LCM of all these. That is 60 units. Now, if I say A does 60 units in 10 days, so in one day, how much units will A and B together do? They will do 6 units. These will do 5 units. These will do 3 units. Okay. So far, these will do 4 units. Let me take, just for the sake of convenience, I take this value as 12. So this will be 5. This is the question right now. 12, 5, 15, 4, 23. Now, if I say these are like there are two A's, two B's, two C's. That is if A, B, and C do double shift work. Okay. Then the total units is 12 units per day. Okay. So that way I can say A plus B plus C is how many units per day? That is 6 units per day. So time for A, B, C together will be how much? Time for A, B, C together will be time for A, B, C together will be 60 by 6. Okay, that will be 10 days. So far clear? Did I do any mistake? No. So time for A, B, C together will be 10 days. Now you have got this thing. Let's move further ahead. In the previous question, see students, we got 5 days. Why? Because they were individually doing it, ABC, so they did it 5. Now for this particular part, we have pairs doing in 12, 15, 20 days. So individual answer will automatically get doubled. Now let's talk about A alone. See, the thing is, first of all, let's find units. A alone does how many units? Okay. A alone does how many units? See, A, B, C together do 6 units. One I'm doing in detail, and I will write down in shortcut. A, B, C minus B plus C. That will be what? A, B, C do 6 units and B and C do 4 units. So that is equal to 2 units per day. Okay, 2 units per day. So A alone does 2 units per day. That way, your answer will be what? Time for A. Time for A will be 60 by 2. 60 by 2, that is 30 days. This is clear to all? I'm sure it must be clear to all. Okay, B alone does how many units per day? B alone does A plus B plus C is 6 minus the units done by A plus C, that is 3. So that is 3 units per day. I will tell you further shortcut also, my dear friends. If I say B alone does 3 units per day, so time for B will be what? You can do it. Total work is 60 units. He is doing at a speed of 3 units per day. He will take 20 days. Okay, let's talk about C alone. C alone, how many units? C alone does what? C alone does 6 minus AB, that is 5. 6 alone does 1 unit per day. 6 alone does 1 unit per day. So that way, what will happen, dear students, is 6 minus 5, 1 unit per day. So number of days for C will be 60 by 1. That will give you 60 units. Okay, dear students. So far clear? Yes, it must be clear to all of you. This was one way of doing these sort of questions. Okay. Now let's move to the previous method also, which I've been teaching you in the previous 2 classes. Now let's do both the questions by shortcut also. What method did I teach you? See, let's take the largest number of days, 20. What will my shortcut directly be? 20. See the ratio, 20 by 12. This number by this number. 20 by 12 is 5 by 3 plus 20 by 15, 4 by 3 plus 1. I told you, you have to increase it by 1. So this is the number of days together will be 20 by 5 by 3, 4 by 3, 3 by 3. That will be 5 plus 4 plus 3 into 3. Or you can say 5 plus 4. Better way will be of doing this calculation. 5 by 3 plus 4 by 3, 9 by 3. 9 by 3 means 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 5. See how easily you can do by this shortcut also. This is 5 days. Done. Let's move to the next one. Again, if I do this question, what will happen is same thing, that the maximum days is 20 divided by, this is 5 by 3, 20 by 12, then 20 by 5 is 4 by 3 plus 1 you have to keep, if 1 you have to add, so it becomes 20 by 5, or you can say, yeah, this is 20 by 4, 20 by 4, that is 5. So far clear? Yes. So this is 5 days. But dear students, here there are A and B, A being working twice, B also working twice, C also working twice. When they are working at twice their capacities, they can do the work in 5 days. Or when I can add twice capacity, I am writing at twice capacity, or I can say when they are working in 2 shifts. But otherwise they will take 10 days at normal speed. 10 days at normal speed or 1 shift. Otherwise it become 10 days. Now I tell you a very beautiful logic for this. So far you have reached 10 days. This was the main thing. Now things will become so easy. Now let me show you how. Let's talk about this 20. C and A do a work in 20 days. If I had a bit of space, should I erase? Okay, I can do it here. See, the thing is A, B, C. This is together. Together they are doing in 10 days. And AC as a unit. AC as a unit is doing it in 20 days. Fine, dear students. What did I tell you? This is AC. This is, let's say, B. This is A, B, C. What did I teach you? If AC can do it in 10 days, if AC is doing it in 20 days, and the result is getting half, it means B also could do it in 20 days. Getting it? B also could do it in 20 days. So far clear? Okay. Now we have B is doing it in 20 days. A, I don't know how many days, but I know AB together they are doing it in 12 days. Together they are doing it in 12 days. So when they are doing it in 12 days, what does it mean? 20 combined with which value give you 12? That is 30. 20 combined with what which value gives you 12? That is 30. This is done. Okay. Now I come again. See, we have we have got A as 30, B as 20. We need to talk about C. Okay, dear students. Just yesterday I told you, see, this is A, this is together. Together A and C does a work in 20 days. A does it in 30 days. When this ratio is 1.5, I told you just double this value. If you double this value, what you will get? You will get C as 60 days. Okay, my dear students, got it? So how have we done? We have done this question in reverse manner. That is because I didn't have that much space. This is first part for the shortcut. This is first part. This is second part. This is third part. And this is the fourth part. Okay, dear students, got it? Let's move ahead. This was a shortcut. Now let's start with some questions. Pipes A and B can fill an empty tank in 6 hours and 8 hours. Pipe A can do a work in 6 hours. Pipe B can do it in 8 hours, while pipe C can empty the full tank in 10 hours. C is doing what? C is emptying it. That is minus 10. Okay. If all the pipes are open together, then the tank will get filled in. See, dear students, the tank will get filled in how much time? Take a number which is divisible by 6, 8, and 10. That is 120. Okay. So total work is equal to 120 liter. This is the capacity of the tank, 120 liter. Liters per hour. Here, liters per hour. If A does 120 liter in 6 hours, it means tap A fills 20 liters per hour. Tap B will fill 15 liters per hour. Tap C minus 20 by 120. Okay. Minus 10, 120. This will give you minus 12. Fine. So here what's happening? 20, 15 minus 12. That is 20 plus 3. 23 liters per hour positive. So total time will be how much? Total time will be 120 liters at the speed of 23 liters per hour. So that will give you 115 plus 5 by 23, or you can say 5 plus 5 by 23, 5 by 23 liters per hour. This is your answer. Okay, dear friends, let's proceed towards the next one. Okay, pipe A can fill a tank in 6 hours. Pipe B can fill the tank in 8 hours. Pipe C is an outlet pipe that can empty this tank in 4 hours. C can empty in 4 hours, so I'm putting minus 4. The number which is divisible by 6, 8 and 10 is again 120. So let's say the total work is 120 liters. The total capacity of the tank is 120 liters. We have 120 liters in 6 hours. So that is liters per hour will be how much? 20. 120 by 8 will give me 15. And 120 by minus 4. 120 by minus 4 will be minus 30. So effectively, what do I have? If A plus B plus C all are open together, these two are doing 50, 35 units. This is doing minus 5. 30 and minus 35 and minus 30 will give me 5 units per hour. So time together will be what? 120 divided by 5, or that will be 24 hours together. This is your answer. Okay, dear students. Get all. Let's move to the next one. Type A can fill a tank in 6 hours. Type B empties a full tank in minus 10 hours. If both the pipes are open together, then in how much time will the empty tank be filled? Okay. See, the answer will be 15. Let's look at this. Let's assume total units. Total capacity or total units 6 and 10. The LCM is 30 liters. Okay. Now, liters per hour. 6 by 30 is 5. 30 by minus 10 is minus 3. So it is 2. Fine. So A plus B together does how many units? 2 liters per hour. Time for AB together. Time for AB together will be 30 by 2, that is 15 hours. So as I already told you, we have a combination 10, 15 gives a 6. Now the thing is, if this is the time for one person, this is the time for other, but this is negative. So your answer for the third person, so your answer for together will be this number. Getting it? This 10, 15, 6 combination even works for pipes and systems with negative tendencies also. Getting it? I know 10, 15 gives a 6. Now we have a 6 and we have a minus 10. So the other value will be 50. Getting it, dear students? Now let's take a few good ones. A, B, and C individually can do a piece of work in 20, 16, 30 days respectively. If A and B started working on the task and they worked for 4 days and left, then the number of days required by C to finish the remaining task is C. First of all, let's take the LCM of these units. 20, 16 and 30. What is the number? Just think of a number which is divisible by all three. I can say 240 is a such number. Yes, 240 is the number. Total work is how much? 240. Now units per day. Units per day. How many units are they doing per day? 20 divided by 240 will give me 12. 240 divided by 16 will give me, sorry, 12 over here. This will give me 15 and this will give me 8. Now next thing. A plus B plus C. That is how many units all of them do in a day. Okay. That will be 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 15, 35 units together. A plus B plus C is 35 units together, but I don't think we need require AB. We don't require AB. Now, how is the work being done? How is the total work being done? Total work is being done in such a way that first 4 days A and B combine together. For next X days, we don't know how many days are there. Let's say for X days, the C finishes the work. Then the number of days required by C finish to remaining. So number of days remaining days is, let's say, X. For those X days, C works. What is the total work? Total work is 240. This is being performed at what speed? 4 units, 4 days. A and B do how much? 12 plus 15 units per day. For the next X days, this does 8 units per day. I can cancel all this by 4. This will give me 60 is equal to 12 plus 15 plus 2x. This is 27. 33 is equal to 2x. Getting it, dear students? 33 is equal to 2x, or I can say x is equal to 16.5 days. Therefore, C will finish the remaining work in 16.5 days. Next, let's move ahead. A, B, and C can individually complete a task in 24, 20, and 18 days. A, B, C, 24, 20, and 18 days respectively. B and C start the task and they work for 6 days and leave. Now what's happening is, first of all, let's take the total units. A number which is divisible by all these, that will be 360 units. Total work is how much? 360 units. Now, units per day, 24 days, 360 units, that is 15 units per day. This is 18 units per day. This is 20 units per day. Now, B and C start the task and they work for 6 days, the number of days required by A alone to finish. How is the total work being finished? Total work in finished is, for the first 6 days, A and B are there, plus for the remaining X days when C works alone. Okay, I'm sorry, this is B and C first of all. Later it is A alone. Okay, now the total work is 360 units. This is being done how? 6 units when B R C doing. That is 20 plus 18, that is 38. Plus A does 15 units for X days. Let's cancel them by 3. This becomes 120 is equal to 38 plus, sorry, 2 into 38 plus 5x. So this is 120 minus 76 is equal to 5x, or 44 is equal to 5x. So we can say this x is equal to 8.8 days more. Okay, so A will finish the remaining work in how many days? 8.8 days. Let's move to the next one. I should increase the size first. Three pipes A, B, C can fill a system in 12, 18, 24. We have to find a number which is divisible by 12, 18, and 24. That is 72. 72 liters is the total capacity. Now, units per hour. 12 by 72, 6, 4, 3. A, B, C together does how many units? 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13 units. Now, how is this total work done? Total work is done like this 72 units is done. What will be the volume of the water that overflows as the percentage of the total volume of the. Okay. See, in 7 hours, how much work will be done? 7 hours it will be done. 13 into 7, that is 91 units. What will be the volume of the water that overflows as the percentage of the total volume of the system? Okay, how much water overflows? Water that overflows is 91 minus 72, that is 19 units. Acha, as a percentage of the total volume of the system, the total volume of the system is percentage wise, it will be total volume 72 by 19 into 100. So this you can say 1900 by 72. As a percentage will be, that will be what? 190 divided by 72. 144, till 144 it is divisible 2. So 46 is remaining. 460. 460 divided by 72 will give you 6. So approximately 26%. To do a certain work, A and B work on alternate days, with B beginning the work on the first day. A can finish the work alone in 48 days. If the work gets completed in 11, 1 by 3 days, then B alone can finish 4 times the work in C. Let's say we know A can do the work in how many days? 48 days. B can finish the work in how many days? B can finish the work in 11, 1 by 3, that is 34 by 3 days. Certain work A and B work on alternate days, with B beginning the work on the first day. A can finish the work alone in 48 days. If the work gets completed in 11, 1 by 3 days, then B alone can finish 4 times the same work in. Oh, it's my fault. I told this is B is not, it's the total work is done in 11, 1 by 3 days. B starts, okay. So it is like BA, 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 then again B, and then A for 1/3 days, that is A by 3. So it means how is the work done? The work is done is B does for 6 days, A does for 5, 1 by 3 days, or the work is done like 5, 1 by 3 A, or I can say 16 by 3 days of A. So let's say what is the total work? I equate this total work by two ways. Total work I equate with again total work. What is the total work? The total work in terms of A is 48A, or this total work is also can be said as 6B plus 16 by 3A. Getting it there, students? 48A, 6B plus 16 by 3A. So I can say if I subtract the 16 by 3 or directly 5, 1 by 3, what I will be getting is 42, 2 by 3A is equal to 6B. Now this way the efficiencies of A and B are 42 2 by 3a is equal to 6b. Or I can say 42 into 3 is 126. 126 into 2, 128a divided by 3 is equal to 6b. So far clear? 128a is equal to 18b. That is, let's further cancel it. This can be cancelled. This can further be cancelled as 64a is equal to 9b. That is 64 days of a is equal to 9 days of b. Now, dear students, how much work do we require? 4 times previous work. The work required is 4 times previous work. That is, the previous work was 4 into A could do the work in 48 days. A can finish the work in 48, that is A 4 into 48. 4 into 48 is 192A. Okay. So 64A in 9 days. 64 days of A is equal to 9 days of B. Look, I write this. 64 days of A is equal to 9 days work of B. If I multiply this by 3, what do I get? 192 days of A. This is 4 times the work is equal to, I multiply this also by 3, 27 days of B. The only thing is we required a relation between A and B. Once we establish any relation between A and B, then only we can proceed further. Okay, so that is 27 days of B. This part clear? Let's move towards the next question. A, B, and C can do a piece of work in 30 days, 45 days, 90 days respectively. Okay. A start the work and he is assisted by B and C together on every third day. In how many days will the work be completed? See student, this is A, this is B, this is C. Can do a work in, okay, let's write it like this. A can do the work in 30 days, B can do in 45 days, C in 90 days. Whatever the total work is this is the LCM, so total work is 90 units. Units per day is, I will tell you by two methods this question. Units for A will be 3 units per day, 2 units per day, 1 unit per day. Now, A start the work and is assisted by B and C on every third day. A, then B and C on every third day. Okay, it's like this. First day A, second day A, third day BC. First day, second day, third day, like this. A does how many units? 3 units. Again 3 units. On the next day, this is 6 units. Okay, dear students. This is 6 units. So every 4 days, how many units are being done? 4 days they are doing 6 units. Okay. If I multiply both the things by 15, what do I get? This is 3 days, 6 units. So far it is clear to everyone? Yes, it must be clear. Students, this is A, B, C. First of all, third day they are A, B, C, and I am doing a small mistake. This is like here this 12 units. Okay, 3 plus 3 plus 6, 12 units. 3 days, this is 12 units. If I multiply both the things by 7.5, if I multiply both the things by 7.5, it will become 22.5 days. This into 7.5 will be 90 units. Okay, but I can't multiply by 7.5. This will be wrong. Look, what we need to do is I multiply the set by 7. So 21 days. In 21 days, how many units will be done? This will be 84 units. Now the 22nd day, it will be A alone. 21 day, 22nd day, then 23rd day. This could have been a blunder otherwise, and you will end up losing marks. In fact, you'll be getting negative marks. So this is 84 units. The third day there are 3 units on A alone. 23rd day, this is the 21st day, 22nd day, 23rd day. It will be again A alone. These are 90 units being done in 23 days complete. So this would be your answer, my dear students. Okay. Whosoever has set the options very correctly by showing a 22.5 days. Okay. This is wrong, and your answer is 23 days. Let's move towards the next one. This we have done. Let's do it. Okay. Let's take the next one. Well, so now it's actually next type of question. So I'm winding this class right now. I will meet with you again tomorrow. This is now different types of question. These are not basically LCM based. So we'll start these questions tomorrow onwards. From my side, bye bye. Take care. Good night. All the very best. Study hard and crack your exam in very first attempt. Bye.